In the article editor, you'll be prompted to pick which websites you want to add as far as digestion of keyword density and all the other variables go. I'm just going to go ahead and let it run the 10 pages that it's found here. If we do have JavaScript issues, we will try again with some kind of loophole in order to make sure that we're actually reading things. Whereas most of our competitors just ignore that particular search, we have loops that we try and go in to make sure that you are getting the data that you are not only after, but paying for. Once that's complete, you will have your article editor right here. Very intuitive, very easy to use. You've got keyword density here that will adjust as you start typing different words in. Cluster information. Then you can also optimize both for search engines and AI search whenever you're ready. You can add EEAT signals as seen here. Research will allow you to get information on what's showing up for these particular queries, what your competitor outlines look like, etc. Basically where this tool is pulling information from. Then you've got tools available to you to automatically add internal links, give a brand voice score based on the brand voice that you picked for this particular article. Social repurpose, where once the article is written, you can come up with small snippets to share on socials, and a cannibalization check to make sure that you're not writing similar articles that are going to compete in search or AI for you. And then ultimately, one of the biggest things you've got here is an automatic AI writing tool. You can generate a full outline if you want to manually go in and write the article yourself. You can write a first draft that's going to tick a lot of the optimization marks here. You can auto-optimize once that's done, and then you can even generate a facts section at the very end of it. Now, while this is all awesome, we still recommend that you've got a human editor coming in, going through, adding more information than just what's being pulled in the search. Once that's done and everything is set up, for example, I'll go ahead and write a outline here. You can choose to replace the editor content or add it to the end automatically there. And then let's say you've finished the article, you can actually import it or share it directly from the dashboard. Share will give you a non-editable link that you can show to a client or somebody else. Import will actually allow you to bring content in that already exists on your website as it is. And then export will allow you to connect to WordPress, download a Word file, PDF file, or HTML file, and automatically upload these posts to your WordPress website. So pretty amazing. You can just get in here, start to finish, have everything completed. Again, we highly advise going in there, adding real edits, human edits to this. But just the same, it's a very potent tool as it stands.